guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some new products to show you by STYLEVANA. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I just received this box right here. It's by STYLEVANA. The company actually got a hold of me and they asked if I would be willing to review some of their products. And I looked at their website and they have so many things. And I was like, yeah, I would love to show my viewers some products from your company. They have makeup, they have skincare, and they have fashion. When I went to go to skincare so I can show you some of the products, there was like 10,000 different items. I'm like, holy moly, I'm not gonna be able to show all of those in this one video, but that's just to tell you how many different products that they have in just the skincare category. They also have makeup. There was over 3,000 different makeup products. And like I said, there was fashion, clothing items, that kind of thing. So if you want to check them out, I will link them all down below. They did generate my own code. My code is INF, like I think that's for influencer, INF, and then 10 SheCrafty. I'll put it right here too, and I will link it down below if you like to copy and paste it. So it's INF10 SheCrafty, and that'll get you 10 to 15% off their entire website. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what products are in here. And yeah, let's see what's going to be in here. It is all taped up. It came by FedEx. It came really quick. So it was just like in a FedEx envelope, and I opened that and this box was inside. So let's get this cut opened. They tape their boxes like I do. Anyone receive giveaways from me at any point? Can you vouch for all this tape? Oh my goodness. Okay, they definitely take a lot of care in packaging their products, let me tell you. So let's see what's all inside. This is a blemish care serum. This is valued for $19, and right now today it is $18.89. It's like, it said like 1% off or something like that. So this right now for today is $18.89, but it's normally a $19 value. Ooh, and I really actually am excited about this because I do get blemishes. I do break out right about here when it's my monthly time of my, monthly situation. So I am really excited to use this around that time. Hopefully it will definitely help keep blemishes away or make them go away faster or not leave marks, maybe that kind of thing. It does say blemish care serum, and there's like a lemon right next to it. So I wonder if it's gonna smell like lemon. Let's see. That's what it looks like. Let me see. Yes, it has a nice fresh, like a lemon citrusy smell, like a very faint one, not too overpowering or anything like that. So their directions, this is how to use. Take an appropriate amount and spread evenly on skin. Simple enough. This is an excellent product to lighten dark spots and brighten up dull skin tone. That's awesome. So yeah, again, I can't wait to try this out. It smells really good and it's a really cute package. So again, that's $19 normally. So then the next product is right here, and this is from iUnic. That is actually a really good brand. Everything that I have tried from them, I've really enjoyed. This says that it's a lime moisture mild peeling gel. All right, that sounds amazing. This right here is valued for $12.99, and it's right now on sale for $9.09. There's not any instructions or anything on this one that I can read. It just says natural AHA fruit complex containing 5 different fruit extracts: lime, grape, orange, apple, and lemon. And yeah, so there's that product right there. Let's see what it looks like. There's the seal. I was looking to see if it was gonna smell like lime. I don't really smell any lime. And ooh, that must be, is that taking off like a top layer of my skin? I think that's taking like the top layer of my skin off, because I put it on my hand and I rolled it around and now I have like little pieces coming up, but nothing was on my hand before. Is it taking my skin off? I think it might be taking my skin off. It says it's a light peeling gel, and that's really what it did. It straight peeled the top of my hand. What in the world? Let me show you. Let me put it on this hand. It's kind of cool, right? Because then it's gonna take like the old layer off. Okay, so there's nothing, right? Now let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm already feeling, it feels all grainy, but there's nothing in this. Look at that. Do you see? Hold on. Let me get some more. Let me get some more. Let me get some more dead skin cells here for you. Can you see the top of my hand? That is all pieces. That's kind of gross, but that's like extremely like satisfying at the same time. Like that just took off old skin. Can I use this on my entire body? Like, where can I use this? I'm gonna look and see if maybe their website, yeah, look at this. See right there, those pieces of skin? I'm gonna go to their website and see if it says any more instructions that I can read on their website, but that just, and now my hand is like, my hand is like baby soft and like shiny and woo! I think I'm gonna do my whole hands and my face. I'm just gonna start peeling shit. Where all can I use this? I'm gonna find out. Cause wow, I've never had, and half of my hand over here is all nice and shiny. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing now. I got my layer off. All right, you guys, so the next item is going to be this right here. This is Clean Me Softly Milk Cleanser, Simply Clean. I really do enjoy this brand as well, so I'm super excited to see this. This is normally $28 and it's currently on sale for $25.99. Cleanse Me Softly Milk Cleanser. The power in you. There's the packaging. And does this one say anything? Recommended for a daily cleanser and makeup remover. This cleanser helps to remove makeup while maintaining the natural balance of the skin. Directions: gently massage a small amount of the milk cleanser all over your skin. Rinse with warm water. So you can use it as a daily cleanser. That's awesome. And it has a little pump it up. Turn it on. Pump a little out. Here we go. What I did. Yeah, I'm not really smelling anything. Most of this brand, they're normally, I don't really ever get a scent of any of the products that I've used. So there's that. And again, that's valued for $28 normally, $25.99 currently. Now I have a Honey Essence face mask. These are normally 95 cents each, and currently they're on sale for 59 cents each. And they have all different types in this line. There's several different ones you can choose from. And again, currently they're all 59 cents each. So here is a Honey Essence sheet mask. I love me some sheet masks. So there's that. Find your go-to toner with the free gift of a mini toners. Ooh, and I love toners. So there's brightening, nourishing, and hydrating. Perfect. Okay, so let's get this opened. So I like the fact that they give you the one full size and then they give you 2 sample sizes to try out for the other, the other benefits. So this says Hydrium Watery Toner. And there's that guy. And that's really a good size for a toner too, because you don't use a whole lot of toner just to wipe around your face. And this one is a honey extract propolis synergy toner. I'm not sure, but there's that guy. And then the big guy on the show here, this is AHA BHA Vitamin C Daily Toner. And vitamin C, that's cool because it's really good for our face too. So here's the big guy right there. I can't wait to try these out. I love toners. So all of this would be good. Like you use your cleanser and then when you're done cleansing, use your toner, and then I can use this serum. So I'm really excited. Oh, in this peel situation, I get to start peeling some skin off. But that's a really good variety that they sent for me to show you guys, because that's like a really good like skincare regimen right there in itself, pretty much. So yeah, so that is what they sent me, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this. Have you gone to STYLEVANA before? Have you checked them out? Have you heard of them before? Don't forget, use INF10 SheCrafty to save the 10 to 15% off their entire website. And I'm so glad that they got a hold of me, because now I know about a new company that has tons of products. You can even search by brand. When you click brand, there's like pages and pages and pages and pages of all different brands that they carry. And again, I have so many different items. They have sales at all different times. So you can definitely check them out, see all the different things that they have to offer. And yeah, so again, thank you so much. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.